Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, how can I help?
I just landed. I can't find my suitcase.
Okay, don't worry. Let's check together.
Thank you. This is the right area, right?
Yes, this is baggage claim number 3.
My flight was from London.
Let me check the screen for that flight.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, this is the correct belt.
But all the bags are gone now.
I see. What does your bag look like?
It's black with a red tag.
Is it a big bag or a small one?
It's medium size with wheels.
Do you remember the brand?
Yes, it's a Samsonite bag.
Okay, I will write that down.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. This happens sometimes.
Can you help me find it?
Yes, let's go to the lost baggage desk.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just around the corner.
Okay, let's go.
This way, please.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem at all. Here is the desk. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
And your baggage claim ticket too?
Yes, one moment. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
Okay, take your time.
It looks like your bag is still in London.
Oh no, really?
Yes, but don't worry. It will arrive tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That's a long time.
I understand. I'm sorry about that.
What should I do until then?
We can send the bag to your hotel.
That would be very helpful.
Can you give me your hotel address?
Yes, it's the Grand Park Hotel.
Do you know the street name?
Yes, it's on Main Street.
Okay, I will write that down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I have your phone number too?
Yes, it's 555-2938.
Great. We will call you when it arrives.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Here is a form. Please sign here.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time.
Done. Here you go.
Thank you, Emma.
What is inside this form?
It has your bag details and address.
I see. That's good.
We will also give you a small kit.
A kit? What's inside?
A toothbrush, toothpaste, and a t-shirt.
Oh, that's very kind.
It's for travelers without their bags.
Thank you. That really helps.
Here is the kit for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Yes, actually. Where can I exchange money?
There's a currency exchange counter nearby.
Where exactly is it?
It's near the main entrance.
Is it open right now?
Yes, it's open until midnight.
That's good to know.
Do you need dollars or another currency?
I need US dollars.
They have that at the counter.
Is the rate good there?
It's fair, but check the screen first.
Okay, I will check.
They also show the rate online.
I don't have internet right now.
You can also buy a SIM card here.
Oh, where can I buy one?
There's a small shop near Gate 1.
Is it expensive?
No, it's about $10.
That's not bad.
It gives you data for 1 week.
That should be enough for my trip.
Yes, most travelers say that.
Okay, I will go there after this.
Sounds like a good plan.
Can I ask about transport too?
Of course. Where are you going?
I'm going to the city center.
You can take the airport train.
Where is the train station?
It's on the lower level.
How do I get there?
Take the elevator down 1 floor.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, just follow the signs.
How much is the ticket?
It's about $8.
How long is the ride?
About 30 minutes.
That sounds convenient.
Yes, it's fast and comfortable.
Is there also a bus option?
Yes, the bus is cheaper.
How much is the bus?
It's about $5.
But it's slower, right?
Yes, it takes about 50 minutes.
I think I'll take the train.
Good choice, especially with your situation.
Yes, I want to rest soon.
I understand completely.
Is there a taxi option too?
Yes, taxis are outside the main door.
Is it more expensive?
Yes, but it's more direct.
I think the train is best for me.
I agree. It's simple and reliable.
Thank you for all this information.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Just one more question.
Sure, go ahead.
Where can I get some food?
There's a food court on this floor.
What kind of food do they have?
Sandwiches, noodles, and coffee.
That sounds good. I'm hungry.
You have time to eat before your train.
How far is the food court?
Just past the currency exchange counter.
Okay, I'll go there next.
Sounds like a good plan.
Thank you for being so helpful today.
It's my pleasure, Emma.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Losing my bag was stressful.
That's understandable. It happens sometimes.
But you made it easier for me.
That's my job, and I enjoy it.
You're very patient too.
Thank you. I like helping travelers.
I can tell. You explain things clearly.
I try my best.
Well, I should get going now.
Yes, don't miss your train.
Right. Let me check the time.
It's still early. You have time.
Good. That's a relief.
Do you remember the way to the sim shop?
Yes, near gate 1, you said.
That's right.
And the currency exchange is near the entrance?
Yes, exactly.
And the food court is past that?
Correct. You remembered well?
Thank you for repeating everything.
No problem. It's a lot of information.
It really is, but I understand now.
Good. I'm confident you'll be fine.
I hope so.
You will. Just take it step by step.
Okay, I will.
First the SIM card, then the money.
Then some food, then the train.
Exactly. You have a clear plan now.
Yes. Thank you for organizing it for me.
You're welcome, Emma.
I really appreciate everything today.
It was no trouble at all.
I hope my bag arrives safely tomorrow.
It will. We will call you as promised.
Thank you. I trust you.
We take good care of our travelers.
I can see that clearly.
Have a nice stay in the city.
Thank you, Joey. I will.
Safe travels and enjoy your trip.
Thank you again for everything.
You're very welcome, Emma. Take care.